Hey guys, it's TRB filming. I have a whole bunch of new parts, so I decided I'll do a bike check. Alright, so I got some ODI long necks in blue. Those are the grips. S&M slam bars, just the custom Eastern brake lever. Curb Dog, shitty brake lever in blue. Eastern nitrous stem. I got the Shadow.fish forks, the Eastern Fuquay flyer in the front for a wheel, and my wheel is the stock Eastern double wall rim in blue. Alright, my frame is an aftermarket night tramp from Eastern. Costs like $250. Yeah. Crappy seat. It's my Eastern stock seat. The Eastern Motley cranks, S&M pedals, 1-1 pedals. The Shadow Scream sprocket in purple, sexy. Just the stock Eastern chain. The Eastern bidirectional back hub with left-hand drive. And yeah. And Flybike's tire in the back.
Yeah.
And